In this video, I will show you how to begin the design for your block and then how to transfer that design to your block. We're going to start this party with this very fancy, super clean 6x6 template, and we're going to set it right on your drawing paper and trace all the way around the edge using a pencil, please. Very nice. Please make sure you don't get any marks or any dirt on this template, as it is very clean to start. Now this is the exact same size that you guys will be using for your block, 6x6. However, we do want to create a border around the edge so that way it keeps our design nice and clean and focused. So taking a wonderful, nice straight ruler, we're going to lay it on the left edge, and I'm going to create a 1/2 inch border. So I need to find the 1/2 inch mark. I'm going to make a tiny little dot. I'm then going to slide up to another spot on the left edge of my square, make a tiny little dot. Same thing down at the bottom, go out a 1/2 inch and make a tiny little dot. Now you're going to go all the way around your square and do this. Okay, so for the bottom edge, go up a 1/2 inch, make a tiny little dot, and do it 2 more times. Now you can pause the video here to get yours done, but I'm going to speed mine up to get it done faster. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Okay, next, let's take those 3 dots that we started with on the left side. Using our ruler, we're going to connect those. On the bottom, let's do the same thing. Match up all 3 of those nice little tiny dots. Looks good. On the right side, all 3 dots, line it up. Meow. And at the top, all 3 dots. Let's connect those. Ta-da! Your beautiful 1/2 inch border is done, and now you're ready for your design. Oh, it's like magic. Mine was done so fast. Okay, back to work. So you have your beautiful design here. I do want you to notice though, where I crossed those 2 lines from my border, I did erase those lines out. So you want to go on all your corners and erase out those tiny little lines that are intersecting. Make sure you have filled in your whole square with your nice design. And the last step before transferring this block onto your design is actually to go over your design with super heavy dark lines, like so. This is going to make it a lot easier to transfer onto your block, which is what this weird thing is here. Now you'll notice on your block, when you get it, you're going to have an X on one side, and that's the side you want to write your name on. It's a little bit more shiny. On the other side, this is the side we're going to use to transfer your design onto. Now in order to do this, you want to start by laying your block directly on top of your design. Make sure that you match up all your edges. And I'm going to hold it with one hand as I flip it over with the other. Lay it back on my table here. And now I'm going to push with either my fingers, my hand, the backs of your nails actually work really, really good. And I'm going to push those pencil lines onto my block. Okay, and you can check it. Just make sure you hold with one hand as you flip it over here. You can see I have a lot more lines to push here. So just use the back of your nails, use your fists if you need to, whatever you gotta do to transfer that design. But always making sure that you hold that puppy down with one hand so it doesn't slide on you and ruin your design. Once you're all done, you can flip that little guy over and you'll see that your whole design has hopefully transferred onto your block. If you do have some spots that are just being a little pain in the booty, take your pencil, draw right on top of your block. It's not going to hurt it. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Take your eraser and you can erase your eraser with an eraser. And when you're done, you're all ready to carve.